Welcome back to BTech Wala YouTube channel. Now in this video I will explain how to create RC bot in VBots in Windows. Now I am opening VBots in Windows. The first step, after opening VBots, here we can see the rectangular arena. Now we want to create new project. For that we need to click on VJarts and create new project directory. After that click on next, and after that this is the path where the project will be saved. After that click on next, and after that here you can see the checkbox add rectangular arena. We need to put tick on it, and after that click on next, and after that click on finish. Here you can see there is a rectangular arena which is 1:1 ratio, and for that click on rectangular arena. We need to increase the width of arena. Here you can see the current width is 1:1. I am changing it to 4:4. The arena size is now 4:4. Now we need to add some obstacles before creating the RC bot. For that click on rectangular arena, and here you can see the plus button. Click on that plus button or add button, and here there are photo nodes. Click on photo nodes, and here you can see there is an option of objects. Click on objects and search for obstacles. Here you can see the obstacle options below the mirror, and here I want to add this oil barrel. Here we can see the size of oil barrel is somewhat big. I want to decrease the dimensions. There is height and radius. First I will decrease the radius. And yes, this is good. I put 0.2 as a radius, and I want to decrease the size. I will set the size to 0.25. Now let us place this barrel onto the surface of the arena. Here we can see I have nicely placed it. Let us duplicate it. Click on this and click on Ctrl C shortcut, and after that click on Ctrl B. Here you can see there is another barrel, and let us move aside, and I want to duplicate it. Click on it, press Ctrl C on your keyboard and press Ctrl B. Here you can see there is another barrel. You can move this is also aside. Now I will create my RC bot. Click on this add button. Now you can see there is photo nodes. In that photo nodes we need to go to the robots. In this search for Pikaxi. Here in Pikaxi there is microbot. This is the robot which we wanna import now, and click on microbot. Here you can see the microbot. Press add, and this is the microbot which we have imported to the world. This is the microbot. It is having 2 wheels. Now we will add our program into the controller. For that we need to create a new controller. Go to wizards, click on new robot controller, and search programming language to Python, and click next, and name it as any name. Now I am giving name as Kumar, and click on next and finish. Here you can see there is a default code. This is a default code. We need to simply select all by pressing Ctrl A and delete. And now I will paste my code. Now we need to write our controller code. Before writing controller code, we need to set our controller. For that we need to click on microbot, and here we can see the controller is set to void. Void means nothing. You need to click on select. Here you can see I have created Kumar, and click on OK, and now our controller is set. Now we need to write our code. Now I will paste the controller code here, and this is the controller code which I have written. I will provide this controller code and this word file in the description. You can get it from the drive link, and after that we need to click save, and yes, and after that we need to save here also the world. And now we will try to run this project by clicking on this play button, and after that now I am trying to move this robot with the help of my keyboard. For that we need to click on anywhere in the arena. I will click here. Now I will try to move the robot forward. Here you can see robot is moving forward, and now I am rotating by clicking on A button, and it is moving forward. and now I'm clicking on right button, and now I will move backward, and now I will give one dash to this obstacle. Here you can see this is how we create RC bot in VBots. I hope you like this video.